Hi, in today's episode I will show you how to create this abstract grainy gradient in Adobe Illustrator fast and easy. Let's start by creating a new artboard. My artboard size will be 2080 by 720 pixels. Make sure you are using an RGB color mode. Click Create. Go to the Window menu and find the Properties panel. We will also need the Swatches panel as well as the Gradient panel. Activate the Rectangle tool and create a rectangle with the sizes of your artboard. In my case, it's 2080 by 720 pixels. Let's align it to the middle of our artboard and get rid of the stroke if applied. Activate the Gradient tool and change the type of the gradient to a freeform gradient. You will get a randomly generated set of colors. By clicking on the small circle within the shape, you can easily change the color and the position of the color. By pressing the backspace on your keyboard, you can get rid of the color you don't want to. By clicking inside the shape, you can add a new color. Now let's have some fun and let's recolor our gradient. If you would like to have the same result as mine, feel free to find the hex color in the description section below, but feel free to play with your colors. I will start with the violet one, then I will apply magenta. Here I would like to see a bright red. Here I will add some cyan color, and I will also add an orange in the upper left corner. You can leave it as it is, or you can convert your points to a lines to achieve more smoother results. So this one will be my first point, this one will be the second one, third one, the fourth one. Press escape to get rid of the line. Now you can easily drag your circles and reposition the colors. Once you're happy with the result, let's go to the next step and add some dimensional elements to our gradients. Activate the Rectangle tool and create a rectangle with the sizes 2080 by 50 pixels. Let's apply a radial gradient to that. Activate the Gradient tool, choose a radial gradient, move your gradient up and scale it down. Now let's recolor the gradient, put the both colors to violet, but apply for the second violet opacity 0. Activate the Selection tool, go to the Effects menu, Distort and Transform, choose a transform. Put the reference point locator to the upper middle, reflect Y, put a copy 1 and press OK. Now go to the Object menu and choose an Expand Appearance to apply the effect. Right click, Ungroup, choose upper rectangle and change the colors to magenta. Now select your both rectangles and click Group. Let's rotate our rectangles to the 45 degrees. Let's move it aside. Now go to the Window menu and find the Transparency panel. Change the blending mode to a multiply. Guys, feel free to play with the blending mode to achieve more funky results. By pressing Alt and dragging the shape, you can duplicate your shape. Feel free to do as many as you wish. Now let's hide the unnecessary parts. Activate the Rectangle tool and create a rectangle with the sizes of your artboard. In my case it was 2080 by 720 pixels. Let's put it on the middle of our artboard. Activate a Selection tool and select all your dimensional elements. Right click and choose a Make Clipping Mask. And the last step will be in adding a texture. Let's activate a Rectangle tool once again. Create a rectangle with the sizes of your artboard. In my case it's 2080 by 720 pixels. Let's put it on the middle of our artboard. Recolor it to the black. Go to the Effects menu, choose a texture, choose a grain, change the grain type to the stippled, put an intensity to 20 and contrast to a 40, press OK. Now change the blending mode to the soft light, but again feel free to play with the blending modes here and play with the opacity. We're done. Thanks for watching.